Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I am super excited to show you guys how to make a junk mail junk journal. How fun is that? And I'm going to show you the process in time lapse because this takes a little bit to make. There's a whole process to it and stuff. So I did it in a time lapse so you guys can see. And if you guys have any questions, please just put it down in the comments and I will answer them as best as I can, or maybe even do a video in slow to show you guys if it's too hard to follow with the time lapse. But I'm hoping it works out pretty good. So if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can see my next video when I post it, like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. Okay, so I want to show you guys what I did here, and this is a little like journaling card or just like a little tag that I put in here that you can pull out, and then you can see the little stamps I did behind it. So I made a little pocket here, and I did a little sewing up top and some just rainbow thread sewing all the way around. And this is a collage that I made, and then I copied it. So I did a whole bunch of that, and then did some scrapbook paper on the back, which is kind of fun, and did some beads, left some of the thread here, and then did some beads on there. Oop, was I out of the camera there? Oops. So yeah, did some beads, some sewing, and then just different things on the side. So this is a little fun little pocket right here, and that's the window of the junk mail. And did some lace around and glued it. And then these are my tie-dyed fabric that I have. And it makes a great little tie. And yeah, like I said, I'll show you guys. And I did a napkin over the top with some, I just did some Elmer's glue and water and diluted it and did just a napkin down on top. So here's the inside of it. And just some pretty scrapbook paper, and here's some RIT dye paper that I did in here. So it's kind of colorful, and it's got some plant stuff and some handmade paper, an envelope, which I gotta glue I was gonna glue that a little bit and make a little side pocket here, side pocket, and then, or you can do it right there, but. Did some more dyed paper. So it's just kind of a fun little journal that you can piece together. And I am going to have these for sale on my Etsy shop. And each one of them will be unique and a little different depending on like the window where the junk mail is, or different areas. And I will be doing the same napkins on the front, and probably going to take, instead of the lace, I'm gonna do this around the windows and just kind of have it so that's around the window, and just some little different touches. So I will be putting these in my Etsy shop if you guys want to come check them out. I'm gonna get some made up, so that will be soon. And then this is the middle, and then this is just some stencil and stuff and stamping dyed paper, which I have a video on that. I could put that down below for you. And some fun flower paper. And these would be great stocking stuffers or just gifts you can give. They're just fun little things to give out, or get one for yourself and keep them, or make one, and they're really fun to do. I just got the envelope from there, hand dyed, some RIT dyed, some more flowers. So they're just pretty much blank, and you can do what you want with them. You can add pockets, you could do any kind of fun little thing you want to put in here. And that's the back of it. So it's kind of fun. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and like I said, if you have any questions, just put them down below and I will get back to you on them, and let you know what I did in fast motion, but it should be pretty self-explanatory, and hopefully you guys will be able to get it and have fun with it. Okay, well, thank you guys for following along, and have a great day.